Yeah, my name is Matt Webster, and I am one half of a writing team along with my partner, Taylor Ferreira. I began my relationship with Millikin back in 2020, in January of 2020, with a show that Taylor and I wrote called Propaganda the Musical. So they selected our show for a new musicals workshop. We did it there, and then we released it as a full podcast musical with like a full Broadway team of actors and a full orchestra. So you can check that podcast out. I'm just really thankful to Millikin and for Lori and Kevin. They have created a wonderful program here, and it's an amazing experience to watch these young people put sound to what we've created. It's pretty remarkable. It is not the norm in college programs to develop new musicals. Most college programs, they want to do like box office hits that are already popular, and they want to appease their audiences and their communities with shows that they already know. But Millikin has really led the charge on challenging their community to accept new musicals and to embrace new musicals, and that really is the future of musical theater. So I'm just really honored that Millikin is doing that work and that they're having us be a part of it.